just finished eating our brunch. Now I'm gonna show you how my hair looks like if I don't do the CGM or the curly girl method on it. So what I'm planning to do is I'm going to wash my hair, and then half of it I'm gonna do CGM, and then half of it I'm not going to. That's my plan today. My hair is actually cute even though it's like 3 day old. So yeah, I think this is gonna be the CGM one, and then this is gonna be the non-CGM one. So yeah, you will see how effective curly girl method is for a curly girl like me. Because if I don't do the curly girl method, actually, I don't know. I haven't not done the curly girl method ever since I've started it. Like, ever since I've started it, I would do it every wash day. Like, I would wish, I would style, I would diffuse ever since I started. And that was like at least 2 years ago. So yeah, I never stopped doing it. I don't know what my hair is going to look like if I don't do the CGM. We're gonna find out. Just so you're gonna see how effective it is. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm just really interested how my hair would look like if I don't do the curly girl method, because I haven't done it. Is it gonna become buhaghag? Is it gonna stay same? Is it gonna be curly like this? I don't know. Let's see. Let's find out. Even before, I didn't like brushing my hair after washing it. So what I would do is I would brush my hair dry, and then take a shower, and then after that I don't brush it anymore. So that's what I'm going to do with this side. Whew. I'm gonna check which brush works better. I don't want to damage my hair, so I'm gonna spray a little bit. I'm gonna dampen it a little bit. Ah, big. Okay, I'm soaked. Oh my god, so weird to brush dry. Feel ko magbubuhag-hag agad siya. I forgot to try this one because this one is working well. I don't feel this much pain in my scalp when I detangle it when it's wet. So that's already a sign that it's better to detangle it when it's wet. So yeah, this is what I usually do before. I would brush it when it's dry and then take a shower. This is what I missed. Ang sarap. Oh, parang K-pop hair. You know how K-pop hair are like, I mean Korean style hair are like straight and then curly and then straight at the end? No? So I'm going to the shower, I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm only gonna do the squishing here, and then this side, nada. After shampooing and conditioning, nothing. Just nothing. Okay, let's see what this is gonna look like. Alrighty. I don't know how I managed to plop this side and to just wring this side with a shirt. This is what I usually did back then with the normal towel. Of course, I didn't want to use a normal towel because still it's gonna make some frizz. I don't want that. But I didn't plop it. Like, I'll show you. Yung normal na iikot mo lang sa buhok. Diba? Yung magkaganon ka lang, tapos iikot mo. Yung ganito. Diba? Ganun yung ginagawa natin normally. Medyo curly. Let me just let you compare it. Okay. So this is with the squishing. Ngayon pa lang kitang-kita nyo na ang difference. Right? This is with the squishing. This is without. So I'm not gonna do anything to this side, and I'm just gonna quickly style this one. Nivea. No, I'm kidding. This is my flaxseed gel. If you watched my previous video, then you'd know about this. Almost finished. And you know what's funny? Malapit na siguro siya ma-expire kasi amoy ano siya. Okay, let me just style it quickly. Ta-da! Look at the difference. Starting to be frizzy at the bottom. Okay, now just gonna tie this, and I'm gonna diffuse this one. Be right back. Alright guys, so both sides are completely dry at the curly side, and it actually cooperated with me today. Super ganda ng curls ko today. And I'm holding the other side here. OMG guys! Ready? Kahit ako super shocked. Brings back bad memories. Anyways, okay. Here it is. OMG! Look at the frizz! Oh my gosh. Grabe yung craziness. When I was air drying it, kasi hindi naman ako nagba-blower dati, electric fan lang. Ni-air dry ko. Ginaganon-ganon ko lang. Sabi ko, parang ang dulas niya. But then when I looked in the mirror, fudge. Like, oh my god, I can't believe my hair is like this if it's not styled. Oh my goodness, it brings back memories. Nagpa-flashback yung mga pinagdaanan ko dati. Dahil sa aking buhag-hag na buhok. I hated my hair so much. Oh, kulot sa loob. But this part though, damn. If ganito yung buhok nyo ngayon, ingay sa labasan. Kung ganito yung buhok nyo ngayon, there's a chance that your hair is actually like this if you style it properly. Super, this was my biggest insecurity nung high school ako. And also in the middle of college kasi nag-stop ako magpa-rebond. And I always like this. Look how perfect my curls are. Oops, ano yun? Look how perfect my curls are today. It was like saying na this is how important CGM is. It's still a bit wet kasi nga hindi ko siya binodry. Dati, I stopped having my hair rebonded because I don't like straight hair. No, rebonded na straight hair. Kasi super nipis ng buhok ko. If I have it rebonded, super flat na magiging kalalabasan. So, I said no to rebonding. Try ko na lang i-manage yung hair ko with anything. Hair cream. And then, if it's almost like 90% dry, I would put it in a bun. Look how, like, you think it's so thick. Pero ganito lang kaliit yung diameter niya. I'll put it in a bun like this. And some of you guys, you know that I was a travel management student, tourism, so UST. I didn't plan this to happen. So yeah, I was a travel management student and we had to put our hair in a bun. So I would always put my hair in a bun when it's 90% dry. I don't like putting my hair in a bun when it's still wet. So when it's 90% dry, I'd put it in a bun, and then at the end of the day, I would take it off, put my hair down, and then my hair would be curly. And then I thought my hair was curly because of the bun, and not because I'm actually curly. So like, later, I'll keep it like this, and then later I'll show you how it looks like. Alright guys, so I think that was 25 minutes or half an hour nung naka-bun siya. Oh! Oh, it's still wet. What? Oh, it's still frizzy sa loob. Oh! It actually looks cute. So, diba? After ko mag-bun for the whole day, tatanggalin ko yung bun ko. But dati, it wasn't like this. My hair wasn't this curly after a bun. It would just be a little bit wavy. Not like this. No, it wasn't like that. So, diba guys? It's really important to know how to style your hair. Because see this beautiful curls. Like if you have this type of hair right now, if it's frizzy, if it looks dull, if it looks like this, then try to follow the curly girl method. You never know that you maybe have curls like this. I think my hair is transitioning to 3B. Oh, 3A, no, to 2C, no? Parang nagka-tighten siya. Grabe no, super buhag-hag. So like, if you have this type of hair, then start the curly girl method. You never know. If you style your hair with the curly girl method, then you might get tight curls like this. But if you never try it, you're just gonna end up with this type of hair. Diba? So it's really important to know how to style curly hair. Because our curly hair is different from straight hair. Diba? So sa mga straight yung buhok, they don't need to style it. They could just brush it and then be on their way. Diba? Tayo, we can't do that. Yun yung pinaka-main goal ng curly girl method is to know how to properly take care of your curls. Kasi if you don't, you're just gonna get this. Would you rather have this? This. So yeah, if you have this type of hair, start the curly girl method. You never know. Ding, 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 ding. You might have this too. So I have a video on how you can start. Make sure you watch that one so you'd have a full guide on how you can start it the proper way. That is the end of my video. I hope you like this one, and if you do, make sure you hit that thumbs up and then subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know that I uploaded a new video. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!